Hi, I'm Laura Poland with the Insurance Ready Dietitian. Are you insurance ready? As many dietitians in private practice, you know the power of accepting insurance. It can help expand your reach, serve more patients, and establish you financially. Yet, so many times we continue to be accepting cash only, and we're paralyzed by the perceived fears about taking insurance. So, today I thought I'd go through three of those fears and talk through them a little bit with you. So let's consider these fears one at a time. There are a lot of fears around being insurance. It is very complex. There are a lot of challenges. So let's take a look at what those are. First, the looming threat of audits or compliance chaos. The worry goes like this: one wrong CPT code, one misstep in your documentation, and a major payer will kind of descend on you and demand repayment and potentially jeopardize your practice. This fear is compounded by the need to correctly navigate the medical necessity for every visit. The truth is that while compliance is mandatory, the fear of an audit often outweighs the actual risk, especially when you have systems in place. By understanding payer rules and documenting correctly from the start, you can overcome this mindset hurdle. Now let's talk about another fear, which is the time sink of credentialing and billing, the billing workflow that's required. Many dietitians imagine a mountain of paperwork and administrative overhead. You see the process of becoming insurance ready as a monumental waste of valuable time. This includes the initial essential steps, such as obtaining both your MPI 1 and MPI 2, creating CAQH profiles, figuring out claims submission processes, and clearinghouse selection. You worry about mastering the specific CPT codes like 97802 and 97803, and then dealing with potential claim denials. While the setup requires effort, streamlined credentialing and billing workflows mean this administrative load can be minimized and quickly integrated into your current routine. Finally, the third myth I wanted to talk to you about today was the myth of low profitability. The core business case concern is that accepting insurance simply isn't profitable. You might worry that low reimbursement rates from commercial payers or government plans like Medicare and Medicaid will devalue your service, and yield less revenue than a high-ticket cash-only practice. But this leads to questions like, will the patient volume gained through insurance truly make up the difference compared to cash-only model? The reality is that a strong insurance strategy, one that prioritizes contracts and maximizes patient volume, can often lead to more reliable, scalable income on private pay clients. All right, so I think I've talked about a lot of these already, but how many of your clients tell you they can't afford your service if it's not covered by insurance? Those are lost clients, lost revenue. Revenue, with insurance, you can help stabilize that stream. So case in point for me and my private practice, insurance saved me during COVID. When corporate events disappeared, people were looking for online help with nutrition one-on-one. And I was able to see them thanks to my insurance contracts. Finally, the professional credibility cannot be underestimated. Physicians will be more likely to refer clients to you who is in network with the insurance payers that their clients are seeing, that they're seeing with their clients. So it's really hard to get a physician of any kind or any specialty physician to refer to you if you're not taking insurance. I hope this helped inspire you to consider taking insurance and work through those fears that surround all of us when it comes to working with insurance. If you are interested, I do offer an insurance clarity call. This is where we'll have a couple sessions and I'll set up and create an action plan for you for what you can do. If you're interested in that, I will put the link in the notes. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, but know you can do this on your own. You've got this.